Alright, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, this side Samaria here once again, this Centric Entrepreneur. And I hope so, like everyone knew that I will be available by 2 p.m. and I'm 3 minutes early here, 2 minutes. So if any one of you has any kind of queries regarding the stock market or what is the future of Indian stock market, they can ask me. Right now, this is a like video section live. Why I'm going is because I just recently posted in the morning, on my WhatsApp status especially, and on all of the platforms earlier later on, that people who have any doubts regarding the investments, they can invest in a premium stock, which I'm gonna recommend tomorrow. Actually, the stock is a premium one, and if you want to invest in, you can invest. The holding period for that stock in listing, it will be nearby. I'll be recommending it for it to hold for a minimum period of a decade, that is 10 years. You can get a good amount of return in that. There is no denying in that. So if any one of you has any kind of queries, they can ask me, guys. It's been a long time, I know that. So bang on. I hope everyone must would have seen the past stock performance that I've given. I was telling you to keep an eye on Zeal, UPL, Cadila, AstraZen. I even forget this name of the stocks. IGL was there. Then I also give Trident. If I'm not if I'm recommending, if I'm forgetting any stock, please do comment in the comment below in the section. Hi Aman Simran, how are you doing? Yeah, I'm good. How's your portfolio? I hope you might be having any stocks which you must would have been given earlier, and I hope you are getting positive returns in that right now, because it's already been like, I don't know, 6 months possibly, I guess. See, there is one stock, which again, the premium stock which you will be seeing tomorrow. I just want to say that, like I've been holding this stock for almost till now, like it's been 4 months. There was no fluctuation at all. Like it was sometimes 2000 negative, then 500 or 600 positive, something like that. It was going up and down, up and down. Recently, the things have getting to change. So it takes time and patience and persistence to understand how the market is going to behave. All right. So still, if any one of you has any kind of doubts, they can simply put it down in the comments below. And if you want to enroll for the premium video, guys, the video it will be sent to those people in the email ID, those who will be registering. The link for that is bit.ly/Samaria. It's SANWARIA PS. That is premium stock. Oh, you sold IGL at 500. Okay, but again, once the stock goes above 500, right, then again you will be regretting it. See, again guys, there is a simple logic behind it, and that is, for every stock whichsoever or whatsoever stock I'm ever gonna recommend in my lifetime, the minimum time frame, I always keep on saying, only invest within mindset that you are going to keep that stock no matter whatever happens for 5 years. How much? 5 years. Okay, if you don't have the patience, if you don't have it in your gut, at least don't invest. Otherwise the stock is just going to be giving you trading results. Okay, but if you want to get a good amount of return from the stocks, you need to hold it, okay, for a longer period of time. I was just posting a video earlier. Okay, there is one stock which people one stock from the student, he actually had invested in Reliance when I recommended, a lot of people, when the stock was like nearby 850 to 900 rupees. जब वो स्टॉक 850 से 900 रुपए के बीच में था, मैंने वो स्टॉक तब उनको रिकमेंड किया था अपने स्टूडेंट्स को कि इसको भी खरीद लो, ठीक है. And he was just texting me today that Samaria, I sold the stock at 1400, and recently Reliance made a high of, I guess, more than 2200, right? 2500 also it went, but right now again it is hovering nearby 2000 range. So again, if you're still interested in buying Reliance, you can buy that as well. Okay, it's not a problem. But again, keep that in mind that the stop loss will be 1800 rupees. Okay, 200 rupees loss per share. If you're willing to risk, then only invest. Okay, and 1800 is a strict stop loss for that stock. Yeah, again, hold it for the long time basis. Reliance is a good company. We all know that. So yeah, that is what I was actually saying, right? That guy was actually regretting to sell the stock at 1400 rupees of Reliance, which again today is in a very good amount, and no one knows when the stock is gonna make lifetime high. So yeah, I'm getting a couple of questions here. November the whole scenario turned bullish. Yeah, exactly right. See, I have always been telling this from I guess from last year only. I've been telling, right, Mansimran, I don't remember which batch you were in, but I guess you were a 2020 batch student, right? But I've been telling this to all my people, okay, before even coronavirus, that you can't even imagine, the biggest bull run of Indian market has already begun. जब स्टॉक धीरे धीरे ऊपर चलना शुरू होता है ना, किसी को बिलीव नहीं होता है कि मार्केट अभी ऊपर जाएगा. एंड जस्ट सी दैट, राइट, निफ्टी 50 हैज ऑलरेडी क्रॉस 13,000. द लाइफ टाइम मार्क of Nifty was, I guess, 12,300 if I'm not wrong. 12,200 या 300 के करीब था उसका हाई कोरोना से पहले. एंड उस टाइम पे भी अगर कोरोना नहीं आता ना, आई एम गिविंग यू डेड श्योर टू थिंक कि इस टाइम पे निफ्टी लाइक 14-15 तक आराम से होता. 15 तो ना सी, बट एटलीस्ट 14 तक आराम से होता. That's what I can assure you of. But again, from 7,500 to a journey of 13,000, guys, that is not a joke. 7,000 से इंडेक्स हमारा 13,500 तक पहुंच गया, ऑलमोस्ट डबल हो गया. So what do you think? Market is gonna crash for a long time? Surely not. Okay, so keep it in mind. Okay, the bigger picture, it always should be there. I always keep on saying to my students, the bigger the time frame, the better the clarity, right? तो अपना mindset उस हिसाब से काम करो कि आपको बड़ी पिक्चर में क्या नजर आ रहा है. And not every stock is gonna give you this much amount of returns as well. Let me just tell you very frankly, it doesn't mean that if the market is having a good potential, then आंख बंद करके किसी भी स्टॉक में कर दो, चलो गिली गिली सिम सारे ऊपर ही जाने हैं. ऐसा ही फुद्दू बातें नहीं करनी है. Is that possible? Rahul Deep, hello everyone. He is having a question that is that possible people can start working on this thing, the one who live overseas? Yes, of course, Rahul, not a problem. I know you were in my school as well, right? So again, understand this thing. The best opportunity for all of you people who are in overseas, right, is that you can open your accounts, the Demat accounts. The link for the Demat is also simple. It's bit.ly/Samvaria Demat. Okay, my name and Demat. It is in the continuity. Okay, so once you open your Demat account, right, you can simply do that in terms of your mother or father's name. But I will suggest you a simple hack here as well. If your mother is a housewife, now according to Indian norms in 2020, when the budget was passed in February, it was said that any Indian individual who is having an annual income of 5 lakh rupees, up till 5 lakh rupees, they are not supposed to pay any taxes. Okay, I'm sure your father must be working as well, right? So, or any male person in the house. But again, understand this thing. If you have any female category person, like say your mother, your sister, like whosoever who have a PAN card, they can apply for that. Okay, अगर वो घर पे बैठे हैं, मतलब अगेन काम कर रहे हैं, तो आप उनके नाम पे लेकिन अगेन इट इज नॉट टू बी सेड पब्लिकली, बट आई एम डूइंग इट, आई डोंट नो व्हाई, बट अगेन इट इज जस्ट अ सिंपल हैक. ओके, आप अपने मम्मी के नाम पे या अपनी सिस्टर के नाम पे अकाउंट खुलवा सकते हो, एंड यू कैन ऑपरेट इट फ्रॉम एनीवेयर इन द ग्लोब, राइट? इंटरनेट इज ओनली एक्सेस दैट यू नीड, राइट? सिंपल. पैन कार्ड लगेगा, आधार कार्ड लगेगा, एंड अगर आपको अपने नाम पे भी करना है आप वो भी कर सकते हैं, नॉट एन इशू, राइट? यू कैन इन्वेस्ट इन एनी गॉडडैम स्टॉक इन दिस एंटायर प्लेनेट फ्रॉम एनीवेयर. दैट इज अ सिंपल रूल. डोंट वरी अबाउट इट. And especially I will tell you, Indian market is the best market, okay, right now. उसके बहुत सारे आगे भी like examples मैं दे चुका हूँ. If you're not seen my previous videos, you can see that on YouTube or live Facebook group as well. That is Oh My God Money Rituals. OMG Money Rituals is my Facebook group. I don't know if you're a part of that or not. So I hope that question is satisfied. Dips पे buy करूँगा दोबारा. यार lines you can buy, man, not a problem. Already at 476. Yeah. Again, see, it is a simple fact, Mansimran, right? Not every stock is gonna be going like boom, 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 So you have to understand that, right? Like a stock, okay, let me tell you one thing. Watch this stock, Tanla, TANLA. Not every stock is like Tanla. Now there is a logic as well why Tanla is growing like rocket, boom, boom, boom. Adani Green, right? You can see, every one of you can see, right? Adani Green, what is happening with that stock? It never comes down. It comes down again, it bumps back. So there are some techniques, how you have to work in upper circuit and lower circuit stocks as well, which give immense returns. क्योंकि इनको नीचे जब आग लगती है तो बूम करके ऊपर ही जाते हैं, फिर नीचे पता नहीं कब आना होता है इनको. Yeah, 2300 high Reliance, right? I remember you telling that Nifty will cross all-time high before Diwali. Yeah, again, all-time high before Diwali, but again, Nifty crossed, 13,000 in November only, right? Sorry, before Diwali only, it crossed 13,000. Sorry, 12,000. I was having the target of that. 13,000 तो अभी दिसंबर में हुआ है. अभी पिछले November ending, in the last week it crossed. So again, it is kind of analysis, right, Simran? That is what I'm saying. I'm not saying like I'm God in the market, of course. I could be wrong as well. But again, market में जब jump आया था ना नीचे, उस टाइम पे सभी को लगा था कि market फिर से crash कर जाएगा. But that is what people don't understand. ठीक है? एक logic रहता है, एक science रहता है, एक confirmation आनी चाहिए कि यहाँ से market का trend हो चुका है वापस. If you're not, I think most of you will be knowing this as well. Who has seen previous videos. I always say, if you want to work in market, you have to be like chameleon. गिरगिट की तरह काम करना पड़ेगा. जैसे गिरगिट अपना रंग बदलता है ना किसी भी चीज के ऊपर जाके. That is how exactly you need to work in the market as well. अगर मार्केट नीचे गिर रहा है ना तो सिर्फ शॉर्ट सेलिंग के ऊपर ध्यान दो. अगर मार्केट ऊपर जाता तो पॉजिटिव बाइंग की तरफ ध्यान दो. क्यों पंगे लेने आपको? गलत जगह पे गलत काम करोगे तो बजेगी ना अच्छे से बॉस. उस चीज को समझते नहीं लोग. And it did. Yeah, I'm not saying it is brilliant, of course. I have no words for that, man. I don't want to say anything on that. It was just an analysis which chart was showing at that time, okay? So that's how market works exactly, Anyone has any other questions, guys? Someone is okay. I am using this Facebook Live after a lot of time later. Anyways, once again I will tell you guys, like there are a couple of people who have different mindsets, okay? कुछ लोग होते हैं जिनको करनी होती है ट्रेडिंग, कुछ लोग होते हैं जिनको करनी होती है इन्वेस्टमेंट. सो अगर आपके पास रोज का आप 1 घंटा या 1.5 घंटा निकाल सकते हो, आई वुड हाईली एनकरेज यू टू लर्न द ट्रेडिंग, ओके? फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल, आफ्टर दैट यू कैन गो फॉर इन्वेस्टमेंट्स एज वेल, नॉट अ प्रॉब्लम. बट if you don't have time at all, then just put some money in the market, because your money should make money for you and you should know that how to do that. Because अगर आप वो नहीं सीखोगे सारी जिंदगी जलेबी की तरह चक्की पीसते रहोगे. Not only market, right, but again every business, like there are so many online other businesses as well, like say affiliate marketing or like website flipping as well, like n number of things are there, right, with the help of which you can make money with the help of money, right? So one should know. I always keep on saying, like don't put your eggs in single basket. Keep different opportunities with you always, and always keep on learning, okay? मैं आज भी मार्केट से सीख रहा हूँ. ऐसा नहीं कि मेरे को सब कुछ आता है, मैं ब्रह्मांड में सर्वज्ञ हूँ. आई एम नॉट दैट काइंड ऑफ अ पर्सन. हैव दिस थिंग इन योर माइंड कि भाई मैं आज जा रहा हूँ मार्केट में तो कुछ सीख के आऊँगा, ठीक है? कुछ भी करोगे जिंदगी में तो हमेशा हैव दिस थिंग ऑफ टू grab something from any person. अगर आपका कोई दुश्मन भी है, from your enemies also, you get to learn a lot of many things, how to be persistent as well and have it. So in the meantime, I'm just suggesting you tomorrow the video will be out and it will be shown to the people who will be registering for that. The link for that is bit.ly/Samaria PS, okay? Premium stock, that is PS, and it is going to be one stock only, guys. Like I'm suggesting, I will be giving 1+1 stock. Possibly that is from the same business actually. So if you want, you can do that. And one more thing, guys, like so many people keep on asking me that, like how much money do I need to invest in this particular stock? Now understand this thing, this has been a question for such a long time. People keep on asking me. I have been answering it a lot of times, but I guess I should be answering it again if people are again not knowing it. The thing is simple, boss. अगर आपके पास 1 लाख रुपया, if you have 1 lakh rupees with you and if you want to invest that entire amount in the market, right, do not invest in a single stock more than 5 to 6%. आपका किसी भी एक स्टॉक के पीछे 5 से 6,000 5 to 6% से ज़्यादा कन्विक्शन नहीं होना चाहिए, okay? Sorry for the background noises. Actually, I think I should go back somewhere. ओके, सो आई वाज सेइंग लाइक किसी भी एक स्टॉक के पीछे आपका लाइक 5% से 6% से ज़्यादा कन्विक्शन नहीं होना चाहिए. द रीज़न इज क्वाइट सिंपल. Like this is called the investment planning as well. Some people, the top investors of the world, they say that like for a maximum amount that you need to invest, right, always keep a risk to reward ratio of say maximum 20% only. Like suppose agar aapke if you have already invested 1 lakh rupees in the market, if you're getting a 20,000 rupees of loss in that, right, try to exit at that point. Okay. And some people also say, if you want to invest in any in the stock market, don't invest more than 5 to 6 stocks. That is it, the quality stocks, like or say it is called blue chip stocks. For example, SDFC हो गया, या ICICI बैंक हो गया, like Kotak बैंक हो गया, या जितने भी निफ्टी फिफ्टी के टॉप के पार्टिसिपेशन कंपनीज है, लाइक विच ऑक्यूपाई अ लॉट ऑफ परसेंटेज. रिलायंस हो गया, इट इज ऑल्सो ब्लू चिप स्टॉक, राइट? So different people have different idealized categories as well, but I am just saying, if you want to invest in the market, my own conviction is not to invest more than 5% to 6% in a single stock. And if you have a stock which you surely know it is having a great future ahead, then even in that stock as well, don't invest more than 10%. That is a simple thing, guys. 10% से ज़्यादा उस स्टॉक में भी आपका कन्विक्शन नहीं होना चाहिए. if you feel a stock is, नो मैटर दुनिया इधर की उधर हो जाए, ये स्टॉक तो मेरे को पता ऊपर जाने वाला है, ठीक है. फॉर सच स्टॉक्स डोंट इवन इन्वेस्ट मोर देन 10%. लेट्स जस्ट टेक द क्वेश्चंस. आर यू स्टिल टीचिंग 3 months program to newcomers? I never had a 3 months program. Okay, you are talking about the mentorship program, right? Basics one. Yeah, it is still on. Like actually I was having a lot of problems in my family and other things were also going on. I was not well as well, Shivam. So I'll be resuming the next batch possibly next year. I'm planning to start the batch on 6th of January, that is on Wednesday. So if anyone is interested, they can enroll in that as well, not a problem. But again, I'll be doing the things totally different. I want to actually do one thing, like basically ho kya raha hai, like people are still confused whether they should be taking part in the market at all or not. Like market में पैसा चला जाता है या कैसे होता है, तो बहुत सारी चीज़ें I feel like a basic fundamental course regarding the market, I'll be releasing it very very soon. Possibly nominal charge like 3-4 thousand like that. I'll be just keeping it for the people who want to understand, जिनको कुछ भी नहीं पता मार्केट के बारे में, so that they can understand like how the things are going to be. Okay, I don't know like how the people are going to react to that, but again it is simple, right? If you are willing to invest the time, you can watch hundreds of YouTube videos and all those things, or you can simply just if you don't have time, then you can simply buy the course. It is totally up to you. I'm not forcing anyone. उसके बाद क्या था? Yeah, Shivam. So those who want to start from the scratch, first of all, I would suggest you, like actually I have some other things till 10th of December. I'm a bit of occupied. After that, I'm planning to post videos on YouTube as well and all the social media platforms. I'll be going out on a regular basis live. That's what I'm planning for. So let's just see, how the things are going to work out. Let's hope for the best. And biggest, Dushman Dasa. I didn't understand that, Mansimran. Biggest Dushman Dasa. Achha, Dushman? Over trading. Yeah. Okay. That is again, I understand that. With which context you're saying. Yeah. Totally agreed. A lot of other things are there as well, like people lose patience first of all, and also like people come in the, see एक चीज़ आप समझ के देखो, आपने ग्रेजुएशन की, आपने पोस्ट ग्रेजुएशन की है, how much time did you put into that? Like possibly 4 years, 5 years, 6 years, 10 years. After that you get a job, right? And do you really believe that market में आप आओगे, 1-2 वीडियोस देख लोगे या मेरा कोर्स भी कर लोगे, इवन उसके बाद जो मैंने बोला है उसको सीखोगे नहीं, उसको अप्लाई नहीं करोगे, पैसे नहीं आएंगे बॉस. मैं अभी भी मुंह पे बोलता हूँ हर एक बंदे के, सिर्फ मेरा कोर्स कर लेने से आपको पैसे नहीं बनेंगे, जो बोला है उसके ऊपर चलने से पैसे बनेंगे बॉस. पीपल फॉरगेट टू इम्प्लीमेंट. दैट इज द बिगेस्ट प्रॉब्लम विद द पीपल, and that is why nothing can satisfy them. A lot of people they like कितनी सारी प्रॉब्लम आती है ऐसे. हाँ, एग्जैक्टली. ओके, बैक अगेन ऑन द tripod. So yeah, that was it, guys. If anyone has any other questions, they can ask me. तो एक mindset होना चाहिए, like I was just telling you that, like for every stock that you're gonna invest, right, in the investment purposes, the maximum amount that you should be investing should not be exceeding more than 5 to 6% and in any stock. And if you have a highly conviction in any stock कि ये stock ऊपर ही ऊपर जाएगा, मेरे को पक्का पता है, या 100% कंपनी अच्छी है, तो उसमें भी not more than 10% you should be investing in that. That is it. And for me, I consider any investment an investment if it is going to be kept in the market for a minimum of 5 years. The biggest problem in our economy is that no one is getting us aware about this. Even I am a structural engineer, like I've done BTech in civil engineering, okay, I'm not even masters in structures, but the point is, like, I was intrigued by this field, basically how the stock market works, share market, bazaar hai kya, and all those things. I have no goddamn knowledge about the stock market, like I would say in the form of literature, कि जैसे schools में पढ़ाते हैं, BA commerce हो गया, BCom हो गया, and all those things. I have not done it. Even I am not a CA, okay, I am not even SEBI registered. But whatever the things I've learned, it is only with the help of experience, by doing various courses from the people, learning it from mistakes. That is it. अगर आपके अंदर भूख है ना, मैं आज भी like there was one person, okay, who was actually asking for a career consultation. So he was asking like whether I should be doing this course of some people or not. I just simply told them, no one can teach you anything in your life. Remember it. No one can teach you anything in your life, guys. The only thing is, if you are not hungry enough to get the things out of that person, nothing is gonna be of matter. I still remember, there are so many people who enroll in my course, but there are very, very few people who eat my brain actually. Sorry, I didn't get to understand this thing. Can you please repeat it? And I gladly do it. So many people already know that whenever I go on a live Skype session, until or unless no one has a doubt, I don't end it up. जब तक एक भी बंदे का डाउट है, मतलब मैं छोड़ता नहीं हूँ. It is the way I teach basically. TCS बारे कोई ख्याल भाजी? TCS, of course, it's a good company, Mansimran. If you want to buy it, I have not seen the chart, but you can buy it out if you want to keep it for the longer run. TCS is Tata Group only, right? I just recommended Tata stocks, I guess 2 weeks ago. पता नहीं हफ्ते पहले या 1.5 हफ्ते पहले मैंने बोला था. TCS हो गया, टाटा पावर हो गया, टाटा केमिकल हो गया, टाटा एलेक्सिस हो गया, टाटा के जितने भी स्टॉक्स है ना, सभी को बाय करना है. मैंने बोला था ये. आई डोंट नो इफ यू रिमेंबर दैट पोस्ट, दैट नॉट इवन अ सिंगल स्टॉक ऑफ टाटा इज टू बी मिस्टेकनली नॉट टू बी लेफ्ट आउट. मैंने ये बोला था कि आई गेस देयर वाज अ लिस्ट ऑफ ऑलमोस्ट 12 स्टॉक्स दैट आई पोस्टेड इन द फेसबुक स्टोरीज एंड इवन इन द पोस्ट एज वेल, इफ आई एम नॉट रॉन्ग. एंड आई टोल्ड कि अगर आपके पास पैसे हैं तो 5-5 हजार रुपए हर एक स्टॉक में लगा कर छोड़ दो, भूल जाओ, समझ लो कि पैसे खत्म है. एक्चुअली इट इज नॉट देयर, बट अगेन दैट्स व्हाट द पॉइंट वाज. Because believe me, this Tata company, there are so many goddamn inside news which even media is not able to get it out from the Tata group. And believe me, in the coming years, you will be able to see a lot of changes in Tata. Tata ने बोला है Reliance को टक्कर देगा, Flipkart को टक्कर देगा, Amazon को टक्कर देगा ऑनलाइन प्लेटफॉर्म्स में. तो इस चीज को बस समझ के देखो एक बार. Just understand this thing, guys. Reliance is just one company. Amazon is just one company with having so many other verticals, right? They offer cloud services. They offer Amazon का जैसे एप्लीकेशन है वो उनका सेलिंग करते हैं ऑनलाइन एंड ऑल दोस थिंग्स. उसके अलावा भी आई गेस Amazon का कोई और एक वर्टिकल है. दे आर ऑल्सो परचेजिंग मल्टीपल बिजनेसेस, राइट? Amazon. अभी टाटा के ऑलरेडी लाइक दे आर हैविंग मोर देन 12 to 15 enlisted companies on NSE, guys. I don't know if you are able to understand this thing. टाटा एक ग्रुप, बहुत बड़ा ग्रुप है, और जब टाटा हिलेगा ना, पुंगी बजा देगा अकेले की. सो यस, टाटा के सारे स्टॉक्स मैंने पहले ही बोल के रखे थे. आई डोंट नो इफ एनीवन इज फॉलोइंग. इसमें आपका खाता मेरा कुछ नहीं जाता. जस्ट मेकिंग नॉइज. So next year in January you'll be starting, right? Yeah, Shivam, I'll be starting in the next year. Possibly 6th of January. I have already declared the date. So that is a Wednesday, right? So every Wednesday I start the program. That's how the things work out. Do you think we should buy stocks नाउ फॉर इन्वेस्टमेंट एज मार्केट इज ओवर. अरे यार सुमित, दैट इज व्हाट आई एम सेइंग राइट. लोगों की हर वक्त यही ओपिनियन रहती है. जब मार्केट गिर रहा था ना कोरोना वायरस पे, तब लोग बोल रहे थे शुड आई इन्वेस्ट इन द मार्केट, मार्केट इज ऑल नेगेटिव राइट. अभी जो मार्केट ऊपर आ गया फिर भी लोग यही सोच रहे हैं शुड आई इन्वेस्ट इन द मार्केट, मार्केट इज ओवर बुलिश. दैट इज द बिगेस्ट प्रॉब्लम विद द पीपल राइट. आप लोग ये चीज नहीं समझ रहे हो कि मार्केट में इन्वेस्टमेंट आज के लिए नहीं. My broadcast was saying that it has been over for the internal storage. Okay, yeah. So I was just saying that only, right? That market is never, you know, the thing कि like आज over bullish है या आज under bullish है. आपको मार्केट में पैसे नहीं लगाने हैं. आप निफ्टी 50 में पैसे नहीं लगा रहे हो. You are investing in the stocks, right? Stock specific. Understand this thing. इसलिए मैं अभी भी बोल रहा हूँ the premium stock which I am speaking about, right? जब ये और ऊपर निकलेगा ना तब लोग, और ये और ऊपर निकल गया. You know, like I still remember. हाँ, IGL की न्यूज सुन लो. You know, the problem with the people is, you know, when I suggested IGL, you know, at that time it was nearby 390 या 400 के करीब. You know, I suggested IGL to buy for the long time purposes. People bought it. Some of the people, some people said that, you know, it is not going to move. It is not a good company. Fine, no problem. IGL उसके बाद 385, if I'm not wrong, 350 तक भी गया था. चार्ट देख के बताना पड़ेगा. आई एम नॉट रिमेम्बरिंग इट एग्जैक्टली, बट वो नीचे चला गया. उस टाइम मेरे को और लोगों के मैसेजेस आए, सांवरिया माय पोर्टफोलियो इज नेगेटिव, यू रिकमेंडेड आईजीएल. अभी नीचे चला गया, मैं लॉस में काट दूं, क्या करूं, व्हाट शुड आई डू. आई सिंपली टोल्ड देम वन थिंग, बॉस तुम लोगों ने स्टॉक मार्केट में स्पेशली आईजीएल में मेरे कहने पे इन्वेस्ट किया था राइट. और इसके अलावा मैंने एक और चीज बोली थी कि 5 साल का इन्वेस्ट करना है, उससे पहले नहीं निकालना है. 5 साल हो गए क्या, रुकने का टाइम ही नहीं लेते तुम लोग. अभी देखो फाड़ के कैसे निकल के 500 तक. दैट्स व्हाट एग्जैक्टली आई एम सेइंग. If you don't have the patience, if you don't have the stomach to hold the stock, don't invest in the market. Be happy to invest in the banks. खुश रहो उसमें, फिर घर में बैठ के मूंगफली खाओ, गच्चा खाओ, सर्दियां चल रही हैं, चाय पियो आराम से. मत करो काम स्टॉक मार्केट में. मैं सच्ची में मुंह पे बोल रहा हूँ, मेरे को घंटा किसी का फर्क नहीं पड़ता. आई डोंट गिव अ डैम. इफ यू डोंट हैव द पेशेंस, इफ यू डोंट हैव द लॉजिक्स टू अंडरस्टैंड, इफ यू डोंट वांट टू बिलीव अदर पर्सन एज वेल, डोंट डू इट. सिंपल. So I hope you get the answer for this, Mr. Sumit, right? There is not a time that the market is over bullish. It is a stock specific game. आप कहाँ पे पैसे लगा रहे हो और वहाँ पे आपको रिस्क टू रिवॉर्ड क्या मिल रहा है. That is why I'm again saying the stock that I'm gonna recommend you tomorrow, it is gonna be possibly the best pick that you're gonna get. 362 lowest. Okay, fine. ठीक है. Thanks for the update, Mansimran. TCS नहीं सी ओदेज. I don't know, but again, if I'm saying that it is a Tata Group, Tata Consultancy, you know, ऐसे तो like, you know, there are, it's not, that's what I'm saying, right? I only put the stocks which were like एक writing की भी capacity होती है ना. Like I remember I was posting it on LinkedIn and it was not allowing me to post any other, you know, एक word limit रहती है. So it was reached, I guess. But if I'm not wrong, I would have put TCS especially. Just check it out again once. Anyways, no problem. Yeah, I hope your query is sorted, Sumit. And I hope you are doing well in trading as well. I am invested in. Yeah, good man. Keep it up. TCS में पैसे लगाए हो तो कोई दिक्कत नहीं है. See, एक चीज याद रखना guys. 5 साल के लिए इन्वेस्ट कर रहे हो तो छोड़ दो. या फिर मैं तो हर एक बंदे को ये सलाह देता हूँ, इफ यू आर स्टिल बैचलर, जब तक आपकी शादी नहीं होती, जब तक आपके बच्चे नहीं होते ना, तब तक आराम से मार्केट में जिन स्टॉक्स में मैं स्पेशली मैं बोल रहा हूँ ना, लगा के रखो पैसे. डोंट गेट द मनी आउट. 2 तरह की दिक्कतें होती हैं. एक तरह की दिक्कत होती है जब आपका लॉस हो रहा होता है, देन यू स्टार्ट टू फियर, यू नो, ओ लॉस हो गया, पैसे चले गए. दूसरा फियर होता है वंस यू आर गेटिंग अ स्टॉक एंड वंस यू आर प्रॉफिटेबल, राइट, तब दिक्कतें होती है कि साला अभी यहां से नीचे ना आ जाए, यू नो. दिस इज अनदर काइंड ऑफ वर्स्ट फियर देन द लॉस. पैसे खाने भी नहीं आते लोगों को कि कितने लेने हैं. भाई साहब, प्रॉब्लम है हर जगह पे. Forget about it, Mansimran. No problem. अगर लगा दिए ना पैसे बॉस, या लाइक नहीं पल्ले पड़ेगी तुम लोगों को. अगेन अंडरस्टैंड दिस थिंग. इफ अ कंपनी TCS, you know, I will tell you one thing. मैं हमेशा बोलता था, राइट Mansimran, in my mentorship program as well, there are like, you know, various types of stocks as well, right, in a sector. सपोज अगर एक आईटी का सेक्टर है, उसमें एक लीडर स्टॉक रहेगा फर्स्ट डिग्री, देन इट विल बी अ सेकंड डिग्री, देन इट विल बी अ थर्ड डिग्री. इस टाइम पे इफ आई एम नॉट रॉन्ग इन्फोसिस इज यू नो द लीडिंग स्टॉक, द नंबर 1 कंपनी. उसके बाद टीसीएस ही है, और थर्ड नंबर पे आ रहा है विप्रो या अपना एचसीएल टेक या टाटा टेक महिंद्रा. एवरी गॉड डैम स्टॉक इन लाइक आईटी सेक्टर इज बूमिंग एक्चुअली. आई इवन रिकमेंडेड टेक महिंद्रा एज वेल. जब सारे के सारे स्टॉक्स फट गए थे ना, इन्फोसिस हो गया था, विप्रो हो गया था, सारे के सारे, सिर्फ एक टेक महिंद्रा बचा था जो फटने से रह गया था. आई रिमेंबर द स्टॉक प्राइस वॉज नियर बाई 695 700 के करीब शायद, या पता नहीं 500 के करीब मैंने बोला था, वो याद नहीं है. अभी अभी पता नहीं कितनी प्राइस चल रही है, 700 750 के करीब चल रही है, राइट? मैंने देखा नहीं है स्टॉक, टू बी वेरी फ्रैंकली स्पीकिंग. बट या व्हाट आई नो इज आफ्टर दैट ब्रेकआउट ऑफ ऑल द अदर स्टॉक्स लाइक विप्रो, टीसीएस एंड एचसीएल टेक महिंद्रा टेक द बर्स्ट इन द लास्ट. ओके, बिकॉज होना है वो चीज, पता ही है. Anyone has any other queries, guys, regarding the investment thing? Let me know. I hope I'll be posting this video once it overs the session. How much time it has already been? It's already been 30 minutes, guys. So if anyone has any queries, please write it up ASAP, because I want to wind it up as well. The problem with the Facebook is, like it shows a delay of actually I guess 10-20 seconds as well. जो चीज़ अभी बोल दूंगा 20 सेकंड बाद जाके तुम लोगों को सुनाई देगी. So I don't know. Anyways, that is it, guys. So if all of you who might be watching it in the late after the video has been not in the live session anymore, if you still have any doubts or comments, please post it in the below section. कर लो शॉर्ट कवरिंग. ਕਿਹੜੀ ਸ਼ਾਰਟ ਕਵਰਿੰਗ? ਹੁਣ ਕਿਹੜਾ ਟਾਈਮ ਰਿਹਾ? ਹੁਣ ਤੇ ਬਸ ਇਨਵੈਸਟਿੰਗ ਹੋਣੀ ਮਹਾਰਾਜ. ਦੈਟ ਇਜ਼ ਇਟ. So that's pretty much it, guys. I hope everyone enjoyed this session. If you still have any doubts, do let me know, and I'll be willing to help you out. And I'm planning to do a lot many things, just waiting for the things to getting it over with my some family issues soon. Possibly 10th of December onwards I'll be back. Thank you so much for watching. Jai Shri Ram. Finish कित्थों है? हो जा.